This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing the environment and launching the notebook. Make sure you use a Conda environment to avoid binary conflicts. Install Geopandas and its dependencies from Conda Forge because wheels handle native libs. Once done, start Jupyter and choose the kernel matching your environment. In the first cell, import Geopandas as GPD and Pandas as PD, then run a quick version check to confirm imports. This step prevents cryptic DLL errors later and gets you ready to load spatial data. You now load and inspect your spatial data to understand its structure and coordinate system. Read a shapefile or GeoJSON with GPD. Read file and assign to a geodata frame, then call head and info to view columns. Check CRS to see projection and inspect geometry types with geometry. Type so you know if you have points, lines, or polygons. If projections differ, use to CRS to standardize. This avoids misaligned joins and ensures accurate area, or you finish by performing spatial operations and saving results, so plan the sequence. Clean attributes, fix invalid geometries with buffer, 0 or make valid, then run spatial joins or dissolves. Use vectorized methods on geodata frames to stay efficient and visualize intermediate steps with plot to validate outcomes. When ready, export to GeoJSON or shapefile using GDF to file with the appropriate driver. If something breaks, first confirm matching CRS, then validate geometries and verify native libs are installed. That solves most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.